At Snake River Pool and Spa, we bring fun, friends, and family together, creating lifelong memories with our awesome selection of game tables. Recreation doesn't have to mean leaving your home. You can create an exciting atmosphere as you entertain guests at your parties or special occasions.
Absolutely love our pool table. That was one of the best investments we've made. We've made many investments from Snake River Pool and Spa, but that is one of the best ones because even when our kids are growing up, their families are coming over now that they're married, our grandkids are coming over, they're bringing their friends, and so it's just a great reason to have everybody over. Everybody gets together. It's great family fun and everybody's having a great time.
I'm really competitive at the game. I love the game of billiards.
And he really is good.
We have everything you need to build a one-of-a-kind game room, including shuffleboard, table tennis, foosball, and air hockey tables that offer hours of entertainment for players of all ages and abilities. Our game tables last because they have the Olhausen name, which is known worldwide for excellence in manufacturing. Olhausen blends superior craftsmanship with advanced technology to deliver tables of enduring beauty and unsurpassed playability. Olhausen knows game tables. You can count on your game table from Snake River Pool and Spa to last for many years, providing you the best in-home entertainment. Create lifelong memories today. Come into Snake River Pool and Spa now and allow our team to be of service and help you with your next purchase. Go online, call, or come in to meet our spa team today. At Snake River Pool and Spa, we make it easy to take it easy.